Siser EasyColor DTV makes it easier than ever to bring your colorful images and graphics onto your fabric items. All you'll need is an inkjet printer, heat press, and contour cutting vinyl cutter for the cleanest results. And EasyColor isn't just limited to t-shirts and other apparel. We'll be showing you how you can readily prepare your very own EasyColor DTV print for a cotton tote bag. Before making your EasyColor print, be sure to measure your tote bag to find out how big your graphic should be. With size determined, scale down your graphic, then you may print and cut around the printed graphics edges. If you prefer to contour cut, import your graphic to your vinyl cutter software to use its print and cut tools. Mirroring your graphic will not be required due to EasyColor's front-facing application. With print and cut borders around your graphic, you can now send it to your inkjet printer in high quality, leaving its media setting at plain paper. With the EasyColor print ready, next is to cut the graphic. For silhouette cameo cutters, it's always best to place printed transfers onto a cutting mat for proper contour cutting. We also recommend using the settings shown here. With the graphic cut, weed out the empty space to then mask it out with Siser's TTD Easy Mask. If the graphic shape is of a single simple shape, you can carefully lift it out of the carrier sheet. Now you may turn on your heat press and set it to 15 seconds at 310 degrees Fahrenheit with medium firm pressure. Depending on your tote bag, you may need to set up a pressing pillow inside or below it before continuing. This will allow extra pieces like its handle to fully sink into it as you press your EasyColor transfer. Once the machine reaches temperature, pre-press it for 3 seconds. Next, place and center your transfer on top facing up. Cover your items with parchment paper and press. After 15 seconds, open your machine and peel the parchment paper and any Easy Mask hot. Your tote bag now permanently displays a vibrant image thanks to Siser's EasyColor DTV. You can learn more about Siser EasyColor and other materials at our YouTube channel or by visiting heatpressnation.com.